down the highway here a little ways from Muskogee to the Gruber Off-Road Park, which is what's hosting all the trail ride events off-site. So we got Riley up there. Good God, thank you, Riley, man. He's been such an awesome guy, I swear. But Riley's up in the front leading the trail, and the rest of the Rock Solid Rig crew here, and of course Robert's here with us too from East Texas Outcast. And anyway, we're all struggled out here among all the Jeeps that are on this. I don't know how many Jeeps are on this advanced ride this time. I mean, there's probably about 25-30 Jeeps at least. And we just scattered all the Rock Solid Rig guys out among the group. But anyway, we're going to hit the highway and get on over here to Gruber and check out these trails. Welcome to Gruber. I have the hardest time saying that. Off-road park. It is beautiful out here. Oh my God, it's Rock Solid Rig.
A long way to go.
That's us. Yeah. Yo, Rock Solid Rig. Oh my God, I'm a celebrity.
You guys here.
I mean, our little old YouTube channel compared to them, I mean, it's ridiculous.
Our little old YouTube channel.
Holy crap, it's another one of those Rock Solid Rig guys.
$5 for rights to this video?
No, I need $5 to take you out of it.
That's not how this works.
Ooh, we'll edit that out. How's it going?
Good, yourself?
Good. Oh my God, it's another Rock Solid Rig guy. I mean, they're just breeding like ants all over the country. Smart. They pulled off in the shade. That's going to be a pretty good group of Jeeps right there, man. That's quite a bit of Jeeps to take on an advanced trail, but shoot, we're gonna have a good time. So guys, that is the lineup for the off-road advanced trail out here at Gruber. And like I say, man, it is absolutely beautiful. Nothing but oak trees up in the mountains. Gorgeous.
Go ahead. Solid bottom. I was already told that there would be no mud, and I'm having to go through mud right now. This is unacceptable. Homie, don't say that. Hold on, I don't see it. AJ.
I'm here. Right on your ass, where I like it.
Hey, Corey, you're down by the rear passenger, correct? Yeah. Your one good eye is not maybe so good anymore. I've got 13, 13 on the front, 14 on the rear driver, and 17 on the rear passenger. Yeah, so we talked about this, and my numbers gave me, and I think like I stopped to above 15 instead of to above 10. And then whenever he's super drunk, it gets even worse than like being fall out. So I'm going to do this whole thing until we're
Tell him back up a little bit more.
there will come a point that you will shift. But I'd like to see when that is.
There you go.
It's not right there.
You're gonna go more over this way, or you're gonna go the same way?
I'm gonna try not to bounce off that rock like he didn't nail my bumper.
Hey, y'all hold up for a second so I can connect the dots.
Oh, these are nothing compared to the two we went through in Kentucky.
So this is faster than last mile, really? Man, I feel like we're moving way faster, actually.
We're gonna miss it.
You're good right now. Yeah, I think you're good. Yep, you got it.
I was gonna say, Corey, if you remember, like whenever you were in kindergarten, and the teachers would line you up, and they had everybody hold the hand of the person in front of them, and then you all just walked together in a line. But then I remembered that you were homeschooled, and it would have been you and your mom just holding hands walking around the living room. There was that one big dip that we went through back there.
Kind of with Corey on this one.
AJ can hear my excessive throttle to go over a pedal. think that's right.
Come down over here. Hard passenger, yeah.
Hey, you do not, no, stop. You do not have him on the same lane that you took.
Ain't nothing you can do now except go on.
I thought all you guys on passenger side were watching that.
He said if you're on there, it's fine. We're good,
Well, got a tail light and a fender. Back it up just a touch. All right, right there.
You in 4 low?
Oh, it don't have lockers either, does it?
What's that? They're open.
No lockers.
Oh no, I was just asking if you're in 4 low. Come back again. Cut it passenger. No, cut passenger and come back. Passenger back up, yeah. A little bit more. Now go hard driver. There you go. It'll start to go passenger. There you go. Passenger, passenger. Go up that. There you go. Thank you, guys.
Get him over.
Young driver.
Oh, well. I mean, he's a lot shorter.
Yeah. Way shorter than everybody else. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Good job, bro.
Not a problem.
Do you have lockers? Nope. It's a very good chance you're going to hit this tree with your roof rack.
Cool.
Very, very good chance.
Oh, they got
I mean,
puppy
it's
dogs
up
in
to you.
there.
It's not going to hurt anything. It's just going to slide down it. All right. ahead. Yeah, you're going to put your driver on this long skinny rock right here. Then you'll just say, keep your driver on that rock.
Riley, do you want us to wait 3 minutes, or do you want us to go ahead and start heading towards the pond? You can go ahead and start heading towards the pond if you want. I mean, that road will take you down to where the bowl is, where the mule pulls Josh up last year. So I think what would probably be a good idea is just taking everybody there as a place that we can just be like, if you want to stay in play, you can, but if you want to go back, then you can do that too. That'll work. Yeah, once we all get it back up there, we should probably head back too.
Get the food on. Part of these were not with
I
us.
want you to reach out to Aaron and say, hey, hold off on that,
Some of it's mine from a year ago, 2 years ago. Start backing up slowly and try to straighten up as you're backing up. That's it up there. Back up a little bit more. All right.
Start getting this group going so that way you guys can get everybody else taken care of, but that we're not just sitting here waiting. That's fine. You can take them down to the rock garden if you want. Let them play.
You're about to slide off when you're
It's 6:18 right now, and so basically what's happening is anybody that is
It'll be okay.
wanting to go to like the raffle or anything like that, like they're gonna miss out on that if we don't get them there.
No, it's got it. Nope. There you go. You got it. Just don't come back. Driver. Driver? Hard driver? Yes, sir.
Where did all these Jeeps come
There we go. Just like that. I'm telling you, man, Corey really sees a lot of things, and he can get some stuff through some amazing obstacles. Just like that. Well, that concludes the day out there at Gruber. Had a blast. Super fun. But it's getting late on us, getting dark. So we're gonna head on back over to Hatbox Field and get some dinner on. It's been a very long day.